has completely changed. In any field, in whatever field it is competed in all the fields of engineering and medical. People were considering engineering and medical as a very good, as a very technical fields, and people who are joining these fields they are considered good. Now, even what about the law? The law course which we are opting, like that is the 5 year integrated courses, that the courses of the national university, they are really good, and these courses are equally competing with the other courses. And the things which was before independence, like the persons who are doing law courses from outside India, that is from England, and the barrister they will tell you that.
Ishita, Mo, hey, Betty.
বাহ 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 বাহ, বড়ই খেলে গেছে। আহ
বড় খাইতার তুমি বড়ই হাসি রে কই ব্যবধারে হাসি দে পদ্ধতি
এই বেড়ি, ছোট মা। আয়ো।
पान खायो ना? दे 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 दे